Good afternoon, everyone. We are from PBLAN 510 teams, and our project title is 3D Asset Game Batam Explorer. Team Identity. For this project, we are guided by Mr. Yogi as our project manager, and our client is Miss Dwi Amalia Purnamasari. And our team project is Muhammad Sultan Adriansyah, Rahel Marsaulina Pasaribu, Annisa Fakhirah, Citra Firstiani Sabilah, and the last is Salma Dwi Dhiaulhaq. Project background. The objective is developing high quality 3D asset, adding to Batam City iconic asset, and supporting the promotion of Batam tourism potential and local identity. Project idea. The PBL project we are working on is a continue of the previous PBL. Main focus is to develop several 3D environment assets that have not been fully realized. Reference. This is our reference to make 3D asset. At next slide, Salma will take over and explain the next slide.
Okay, I will explain this slide about the Hang Nadim Airport environment. For the reference, we visit the actual location and also use Google Maps for additional details. Next slide. Here is the result of our 3D model, which includes the front view, the airplane area, and the runway. Next, we also create several props to complete the airport area, such as cars, traffic cone, fence, plane, the lamp, bench, traffic sign, and rubbish bin. And for the next slide, it will be about the Tanjak Mosque, which will be presented by my teammate Citra.
At this slide, I'm going to explain the visual reference and mood board of Tanwirunaja Mosque. And these are the pictures that I collected in the internet. And we also visit the place to look for details. Next slide. And these are the 3D implementation of the Tanwirunaja Mosque. Next slide. And these are the properties of the Tanwirunaja Mosque. We have the names, the stairs, the bush and the plants, the traffic cone, the toilets, the pool and the lamps, the parking lot, the trees, and more of the properties. Next slide. And this slide will be explained by Sultan.
To capture the building structure. For this image, we focus on the seaside concept, the wooden structure, and the opening dining area. Next, this is the 3D environment we create for Barelang Seafood. We try to capture the seaside atmosphere and the layout of the restaurant based on reference. Props. For the properties, we add several supporting objects such as a dining table and chairs, cars, tree, spoon, and tissue. And the next slide will be present.
I will explain about Marriott Hotel. So just like our reference, we collect the data by visiting the location directly and also through online searches. And next slide, please. So this is the result of 3D model. There are front view, side view, back view, and Marriott meeting room. And next slide, please. For the properties, we use this in this slide. And next slide will be presenting by Annisa.
So I will explain this slide. This is a visual reference and mood board for Nagoya Hill Mall. We use Google Earth and also visit the location to explore the building. Next. Here we can see the 3D version of Nagoya Hill Mall. We model it based on the reference from the slide before. Here we have made the Nagoya Hill Mall building from the front, back, and side views. Next. In this slide, we can see some of the 3D properties created for Nagoya Hill Mall. There are tree, street lights, grass, cars, and traffic cones. Next. Next, we have the visual reference and mood board for Eliora Beach. For this location, we didn't visit the location, but we collected reference from Google Earth and online search. Next. And here is the 3D result of Eliora Beach. We created the environment based on the reference before. We have created a beach from the front, side, and back views. Next. In this slide, we can see some of the 3D properties created for Eliora Beach, such as cars, tire, volleyballs and nets, trees, rocks, lifeguard towers, surfboard, buoy, hood, banana boat, and gazebos. And next slide will be presented by Rahel.
For the character, we have Encik and Puan, and for the reference, we use slow poly style. And for the result, in next slide, please. This is the result that we designed for Encik and Puan character. Next slide will be presenting by Sultan.
This is our 3-shot beauty render. Number 1 from Mario Hotel, number 2 from Barelang Seafood, and number 3 from Tanjak Mosque. This is our VFX application. And the next, this is our poster from 3D game asset Batam Explorer. Next, this is our documentation. And the last, this is our short animation. Thank you everyone, and good night.